Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Boom, kwaphinde kwamatrasi another day, another video. Sizowulula lo wulu. Namhlanje siwulula ngabani? By the one and only gorgeous Mimi, Mihlali Ndamase. Kuthiwa you can take Mihlali out of Kokset, but you cannot take Kokset out of Mimi. Uza kukokotela. So ukokotele omnye wabafana from the pub or a restaurant, Johannesburg. So igama lomfana nguMike. So uMihlali kuthiwa the-thrower bottles zana elapha efuna umbamba ngama-washing. So uMimi unayo ilantuka i-history ye-violence. So ugirl ngumuntu osimelayo isitori sakhe. So ngumuntu i-fighter actually street fighter kuthiwa ke sana. So uMimi as much as simthanda kakhulu as Xhosa Nation, but ke asikhondoni i-violence. So ngokubona kwami ungumuntu olwayo, but ke ezi-brand yakhe is built from ilantuka yakhe, i-beauty yakhe. So bekusuppose yazi-avoida izinto ezinjalo, but ugirl bethe uyekile nje oku umpontshwayo, okusamanzi ampontshwayo. So andiyazi uba uphinde wabuyela nini xa bekutheni. So asifuni uba arume ubuso bakhe. Hopefully uzalufumana uncedo, abe right wethu, athi qha kancinci apha ezifayithini. Cause remember uMihlali seyisuka ulwa nolantuka noMusa Khawula. Remember amenze i-tweet apha, ewe nguMimi lowo. So ugirl ngumuntu ongaziyekeliyo efayithini. So icacile xa isele ungaba abantu bathi come on, yiza ndikubonise. Oh okay guys, please do the right thing. Like, subscribe, comment down below so that sizakwazi ukukhula nathi. Bye.